Okay, folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin, we are about to drive to Sturgeon Bay. This is a Sturgeon Bay, right?
Sturgeon Bay.
Oh, we should have been that stuff to return it here, Tractor Supply.
Yeah, we could have. Didn't even think about
I didn't realize that they have one here.
Yeah.
So
I wasn't thinking of it. Oh, we left it at the property anyway.
Hospital is here. So also about Sturgeon Bay, they make ships over here, right, babe?
They do. Fincantieri Marine, they're right here in Sturgeon Bay, builds commercial and military vessels. And then they do a lot of...
Commercial and military?
Yes. And then they do a lot of retrofitting and overhauling too. Service on existing vessels.
Oh my. Gas station. It says quality gasoline warranty. Guarantee. Some Walmart. Nightingale Motel. Oh, what are they doing?
What did it say?
Families need.
Oh.
They have a Walmart and also they have a food grocery store over there. So this side of the city we never been to.
We drove through here once.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't even remember. Well, it was just for giggles, let's drive through. Because we did take this way to get down to the museum and stuff.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Sturgeon Bay. It's a nice city actually, it's not so bad.
It didn't seem bad. We just never had a reason to spend much time here.
Ace. Another good store.
And of course McDonald's.
How can you miss McDonald's, huh? That one, Pizza Hut. Oh, look at that.
Ah, so they went into the old family video.
Yeah.
Smoke shop and Pizza Hut.
So two things in one.
Nice.
That's smart to do.
Yeah, it is.
Hopefully they'll do something like that to the one by the house.
It would be nice. And you need another food establishment there.
Yeah, more choices. Seems like a big city too, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what the population is, but it's pretty spread out.
It is. Seems like it. It says the Sturgeon Bay.
Old Mexico. Authentic cantina and grill.
Oh my. It says Jalisco right there. I'm sure it's regional. Oh, Jimmy John's. I will go for Jimmy John's first.
Yeah, they're good. They make good sandwiches.
Yep. Oh, look at the bikers. Ooh. So what is that? Is that Bourne's Farm Market? Oh, I think I remember now.
Is it coming back to you?
Yep, but we drove here in winter, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a nice Garland Park. That's nice. It's Memorial Weekends 2023. So it's beautiful. A lot of American flags everywhere. Monticello.
This is coming up on the shipbuilding place.
Yeah, it's straight ahead, all the way to the end, I think. So I want to go over the bridge and then come back. A little metal bridge that they
I'm
have.
guessing you're kind of telling me that's what we're doing.
Oh, my baby. My goodness, that's a lot of sand in that building, metal thing. On the deck.
They have that same shop in Fish Creek.
Oh, and this one is another 8. Oh, Ace moved from here to over there.
It's a brand new place from the
Got
look
it.
of it. Hey, wasn't your turn, dude.
Well, he took it that way.
Yeah, he did.
Downtown is Sturgeon Bay, people. Oh, they have a movie theater too? Oh my. Not bad. Oh, it's a lot of people over here already, see? Wow. Yeah, it's Memorial Weekend.
Mm-hmm.
It's busy. Most of the towns look like just the same here in Wisconsin.
Yes, they do.
A lot of tourists. Like San Francisco. These homes look like San Francisco.
Huh.
Or businesses, I should say. There's art. I wonder if that's a museum or what is that? Oh yeah, you're gonna turn right.
Turn right?
Yep,
Okay.
that's where you go to the museums. I think that should take us to the park too. No, the bridge. I meant to say the
Okay.
bridge. Is that the same bridge? I thought it was
this
different.
is not the same bridge that we took when we walked across with Julie.
So what is that bridge anyway?
Should be that way.
Okay, so you can come back on the other way maybe. So where is it they build the ships? Here on the left or right?
Should be down that way.
Yeah, this is a new bridge. Oh, I see the old one is over there.
Yep.
I see. Gotcha. I'm like, we missed it or what happened?
No, just where we were. I mean, I didn't want to go down the side street unnecessarily.
Gotcha.
Because there's the museum, Maritime
Oh, we came backwards, seems like.
Museum. Well, we just went past it. We didn't go down that same street.
Oh, okay.
And there's the Coast Guard station. We were in that little park.
Yep, I see. Yeah, we came on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
You can go back on the other way, I guess.
Okay.
That's a building that they brought, the whole building, right? The whole building was brought here to Sturgeon Bay. It's the original building too.
Yep.
That's it. Sturgeon Bay. Sonny's is like a burger's place, right?
It's some kind of restaurant. Actually, it says it's Italian kitchen and pizzeria.
Yeah, Sturgeon Bay. This is what I remember.
Yep, we walked this. Because that's where they build the ships.
Oh, I see. Got it. So it's on the other side.
But yeah, we saw some of the works over here.
Yep, I remember now.
That was part of the tour.
Driving in Sturgeon Bay. So you can go back home this way or no?
No, we have to go back.
You
that
have to
way.
go back? It's beautiful.
Might as well go over the good bridge.
Yep, might as well. It's just beautiful over here. Beautiful place. And this is where they keep the ships, right?
Well, that's where
the
they were doing it.
boats.
It's a storage place, yeah.
The storage
Big storage
place.
warehouse.
This is it, I guess. Yeah, those are the big buildings. Sturgeon Bay has a lot of things to do here, seems like. Oh, that is. So that big building is not made yet. They're still working on that probably.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. If that's its final home or if they're going to move it again.
Because they bought the whole building, right?
Yeah. Let's see. Do we turn here to the next?
I think to the left.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you go straight away. Okay guys, well that's Sturgeon Bay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. And thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you to the subscribers. And we'll see you next time, folks. Have a wonderful Memorial Weekend.